Hi, everyone. I'm coming to you from a conference room at my work at UW-Madison in between meetings. Apologies for not getting this up yesterday. The day just got away from me. But technically, yesterday was a day off for you all from school. I hope if you celebrated Easter that you had a nice, peaceful Easter with your families, friends, whomever you celebrate with. If you are in the midst of celebrating Passover this week, I hope you had a nice Seder, if you had took care of that, and that you are enjoying this week's time of contemplation and festivities. With that, we are in Module 6, and we are in week 2 of Module 6. And this week is a short week because you did have the Easter holiday off on Monday. And this week, really, you have two goals. The first is to get a draft of Chapter 3 to me if you haven't. I'm working through some of those right now, the people that have turned them in, and I'd love to see the rest of those and give you some feedback on them. The second thing is, if you haven't dropped some sort of proof of your writing part, the work you've done with your writing partner into the assignment Dropbox, that would be great if you could do that this week. I want to make sure everybody gets credit, but more importantly, I want to make sure everybody gets the feedback that they need from their writing partners. Also this week, you should be thinking about what your proposal is going to be looking like. If you haven't looked at the proposal guidelines, I will put those on Blackboard. The proposal guidelines are a list of the things you need to include. Now, your proposal itself is a story that you're telling, as we talked about last week. So bring a little bit of yourself to it, more than you can to your writing. Bring a little bit about your story, your inspiration, and your processes. But really remember that your proposal, both the chapters 1 through 3 and the verbal proposal that you'll do, the formal proposal that you'll do, are really about convincing your committee that you are ready to proceed with research. And so that is the point of the proposal. So as you're working through this week, be thinking about those two things. Next week, you'll be also having an opportunity to shine up that proposal as well as shine up chapters 1 through 3 so that by May 9th, which is our last day, you are able to do a great proposal and turn in chapters 1, 2, 3 to both Dr. Banks and I. We'll be reading them as a holistic piece rather than 3 separate chapters. All right, have a great short week, and we will talk again next week.